Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I gotta tell you, I love this new DTF printer. They've really come a long way in this type of printing using the latest Epson technology, and it's absolutely a must-have for anyone in that printing business. Guess what? You're able to do so many types of material: cotton, polyester, 50/50, all the stuff. You can do leather, you can do so much more. You can print so many different designs, intricate, and you're not going to be wasting any materials, giving you the most bang for your BUCK. And I gotta show you up close and personal that these products and these images are such high quality, beautiful images. Even doing those whites, yeah, we're able to do the whites now, which you haven't been able to do before. And this will allow you to do small batches or large batches, be able to offer economic solutions for your customers, and it's absolutely fantastic. I had these printed from my old Grayling cross-country team, established 1996. Absolutely fantastic, and so much more. This is great for hoodies, t-shirts, for shorts, and everything in between. So I'm gonna give you all the product details. We're gonna check it out, and we're gonna kick it off with a video about this fantastic product. So stick around, don't you dare miss it. So the DTF A3 Ultra A all-in-one DTF printer integrates DTF printing with TPU powder processing. That's right, creating a new digital image film printing process. Yeah, that's great. It uses the latest Epson printhead technology with the latest S9 shaker technology. It's a one-stop solution for garment printing. This stuff uses Epson's unique variable size droplet technology for smooth gradients that are absolutely stunning. Look at some of this stuff. So you can explore the possibilities, but this is really beautiful. It has the print head heating system. By heating the ink damper and the cartridge base, the printer can work normally at lower temperature environment in the printing process to ensure good fluidity of the ink. It also has auto inline moisturizing. Automatic spraying of moisturizing liquid can effectively slow down the drying speed of the ink in the nozzle to prevent clogging. Integrated TPU powder treatment. Automatic evenly spread powder. Fast solidification. Smoke-free treatment ensuring exquisite output for the finished product. Yeah, and it uses that latest Epson print head. That variable size droplet technology that delivers smooth gradation by freely controlling to eject the droplets. All right, folks, with 4 colors, this has high resolution 600 dpi printing that will knock your socks off. The ink types are water-based, and it's quick, fast, and efficient. This is a professional series, and it works every time. It also has the white ink filtration and circulation system. The continuous circulation of white ink can effectively prevent precipitation and reduce the probability of clogging the print head. After effective filtration, it can effectively prolong the service life of the print head and save costs as well. So there you go, folks. Really fantastic stuff. High quality imagery. And this is built to last. These are going to go on there. Your customers are going to be very happy with it. You're going to be very happy with it. Whether you're doing a small local sports team, you're doing an entire big company, this allows you to do small batch and really large batch, print them out timely, efficiently, and without wasting material. Again, great colors. That powder is fantastic. And it's using the latest technology that is light years ahead of those old screen presses and all the stuff we used to do with printing. All right, folks. Again, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. I'm showing you the best new products on the land, and guess what? This is indeed the bee's knees and the cat's pajamas. If you're looking for something that's going to fulfill your printing needs, just like my printing needs, look at the quality here. Look at the images these guys are able to produce. The blacks, the whites, the blackest blacks and the whitest whites, and that's really separates it out, and the resolution that we're getting here is second to none. This is not your daddy's machine. All right. Again, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Look at that detail, folks. Doing jackets, leather, cotton, 50-50, everything in between. This is fantastic. Check it out and don't you dare miss it. Thanks for watching and goodbye, my friends.